Hello and welcome back. My name's Matt, here taking a look at some great new stuff from WBP. Have a couple things on the table before we get started while you guys take a look at what we have in front of us. Just want to say thanks again to the crew in Poland at WBP, the team over at Arms of America, and our staff here, all cooperatively working together to make these projects continue to happen. And with that being said, let's start talking about what exactly we have in front of us today, and that is the Mini Jack 5.56 pistol. Awesome pistol, 5.56 by 45, 10.2-inch barrel. All the other features that you've seen on the Mini Jack pistols in the past. It has the optic rail on the side, original fire control, takes the WBP 5.56 magazines, and we will be trying other 5.56 magazines in here as well today. Uses a standard configuration for handguard length, so you can use standard AKM handguards on this pistol as well as the other operating components within the inside as well, AKM. It is threaded 14x1 underneath of this thread protector that is attached via a tack weld on the bottom. That tack weld can be removed as we've done on this pistol below, which we've tricked out with an Atlantic red wood handguard set and pistol grip. Also with the Aimpoint Acro on the RS mount, the SB Tactical, a 4-brace, a hinge, and a mounting system all on there, as well as the OSS Helix HD suppressor on this pistol. We're going to take that down to the range a little bit later and have some fun with it. Don't be limited by the way that we set ours up. Let your curiosity and your mind take you to another place, whether it's a Picatinny rail installed on the back for you to install a brace. There's a lot of different ways that you can install braces, or if you wanted to do an NFA item and make it into an SBR, of course you can file a Form 1, and there are things you can do with that as well here. So lots of different options for that. This is what we chose to do given the supplies that we had today. So some of the heritage with WBP, we've been working with them for quite some time. Started out with the Lynx pistols and then the Fox rifle line. That moved into the Mini Jack pistol, the milled Mini Jack pistol, the Jack rifle that we have in front of us here today, which has been the most recent addition to the WBP family. And now we have, of course, the Mini Jack 5.56 pistol here. And again, really excited about it. It does have 800-meter sights, polished bolt and carrier like all the other WBP products, the smooth top cover, loads of features with these things. So very excited about having a 5.56 offering as an import from the guys over in Poland, and I can't really wait to get out and shoot this thing a little bit. You guys can see how these things perform and see if that's something that you would like to add to your collection. So we're definitely going to take the hopped up version that we've spent a little bit of time on here down to the range to shoot it. We'll shoot it suppressed, we'll shoot it non-suppressed. You guys can see how it performs. Definitely appreciate you tuning in and checking out the new WBP offerings, continued support for the WBP offerings and Arms of America and Atlantic. And please do let us know any other input that you have, because a lot of the input that you provided to us has been what's brought about all these different models coming through from Poland. So thanks again. Let's go ahead down to the range and run this bad boy. All right, we are down here at the range with the WBP Mini Jack 5.56 pistol. I'm really excited about this. This is going to be the first shots out of this. Got this pistol dressed up really nicely. Wanted to take a couple of seconds to talk about some of the features again with the pistol. It does have a stamped sheet metal receiver. It does have an underfolder style rear trunnion in it. Needs to be final machined if somebody was to machine the underfolder into it. As I said, it is stamped. It does have a 10.2-inch barrel, 14x1 left-hand threads in the front. Does have the open sights here, are 800-meter sights. They're adjustable. All of these do have a Polish crest on them as well. There are matching numbers on the internal components of these guns, so they're great for you collectors, people that want to have something to be able to, set to the side. They also do come with a little bit of paperwork, owner's manual, etc., that you could also add to that as well. There are many ways you could mount braces to this. This is the way we chose to mount this today. It's the SB Tactical folding hinge, the SB Tactical A4 brace, and then this sandwich plate or fork style mount. Really easy to mount it that way. something you're looking for more permanent, you can definitely add a Picatinny rail or directly mount to the receiver as well. These do have the optic rail on the side. You can use the RS Products 300 series, the 301, the 302, and the 303. All fit on here well, and then you use your according optic mount for your optic. Got an OSS muzzle device on the end for the OSS suppressor, so we can mount that here in a few minutes. We're going to be shooting without the suppressor first, just to see how everything goes. Should probably have a little bit of flash out of this since it is only 10 inches and we are shooting, you know, full power 223. We will shoot some 5.56 brass and steel cased ammo both. So let's go ahead and have some fun. Use the polymer WBP magazine first. We will try some other 5.56 mags too. Woo. That little joker doesn't move. That thing is sweet. We did have a little bit of flash though, right? All right, let's go ahead and try some more stuff out. Okay, trying out some more ammo. This is some Wolf Gold 223. This is a 20 round WBP ribbed polycarbonate magazine. These are pretty cool. You guys that like tanker style magazines or a shorter style mag, maybe you want to shoot off a bench or shoot from prone. These things are great for that. We're gonna go ahead and run it in this and see how it performs here. Should perform the same way the 30 did, but we like to check things out, so let's do it. Cut right through those, no problem at all. Still continue to do ammunition testing and some more magazines. Let's check them out. Testing continues. Still having fun, lots of fun. This time to put the suppressor on, try and quiet this down a little bit. We're blowing John's hair back. It's gotta be killing his ears. We also did load up the Circle 10 Arsenal Waffle Mag. These magazines go for about $50, $49, $50. And they're very solid magazines. They're reinforced steel. They perform really well. They've been used for years with the SLR 106 series, and we have used those in other 5.56 AKs with success, so we want to try them in this one as well. Compared to the WBP mag, WBP mag's about a $25 mag, so it's about half the cost. It's not steel reinforced, but they are very durable. I've been really happy with their performance. I mean, we've been pretty dirty to them. We dropped them on concrete, loaded, run them over with trucks, done a couple of different things to just see how they would last, and they've held up for a long time. So definitely tell you to check those mags out. They're a great option, readily available, inexpensive, but these are very solid mags too. So let's go ahead and run this, see how it performs. We did throw the OSS on there, like I said, to take the sting out. Let's hope that everything runs smooth. So let's go ahead and get this started. And that was that mag. Nice and clear, ran through everything, clean as a whistle. Again, we've shooting a mixed bag of ammo, some Wolf steel case, Wolf brass case, also shooting some 5.56 brass as well, and some other steel case 223. So, doing great.